From this video you will learn how to turn on comments on TikTok. So at first you need to open your TikTok app. So let me open, and then you need to click on the profile icon. So click on it, and then you need to click on this menu bar. So now you are getting these three options. Among these three options you need to click on setting and privacy, and then from setting and privacy you need to click on privacy, and under privacy you need to go down to below and you will get a comment section under safety. So click on it. Now look, if you want to turn on comments on video, you need to select everyone, and if you want to turn off, then you need to select no one. If you select no one, then no one will be able to comment on your videos, and if you select everyone, then everybody will be able to comment on your videos. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.